बेसिकली हमारा हेडेक क्या होता है? हेडेक इज़ बेसिकली अमंग द कॉमन रीजंस पेशेंट सीक मेडिकल अटेंशन, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से बेसिकली पेशेंट्स हॉस्पिटल में आते हैं, हेडेक हो रहा है उनका वो परमानेंटली ग्लोबल बेसिस फॉर मोर डिसेबिलिटी देन अदर न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम. डायग्नोसिस एंड द मैनेजमेंट आर बेस्ड ऑन द केयरफुल क्लिनिकल अप्रोच से हम देखते हैं ऑगमेंटेड टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द एनाटॉमी, फिजियोलॉजी एंड फार्माकोलॉजी ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली इस चैप्टर में हम जनरली अप्रोच करेंगे हेडेक, माइग्रेन एंड प्राइमरी हेडेक डिसऑर्डर्स को. ठीक है, तो क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम जो कि डेवलप्ड होता है बाय द इंटरनेशनल हेडेक सोसाइटी. ठीक है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हेडेक इज प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. दो टाइप का बेसिकली हेडेक होता है. तो प्राइमरी हेडेक जो होता है आर दोज विच हेडेक इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द फीचर्स आर द डिसऑर्डर इटसेल्फ, वेयर सेकेंडरी हेडेक्स आर कॉज्ड बाय द एक्सोजीनियस डिसऑर्डर. कुछ एक खुद से डिसऑर्डर है, डिसऑर्डर इटसेल्फ, उसकी वजह से प्राइमरी हेडेक होगा. सेकेंडरी हेडेक क्या होता है? किसी पर्टिकुलरली एक्सोजीनियस डिसऑर्डर की वजह से, जैसे हेडेक क्लासिफिकेशन कमेटी ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल हेडेक सोसाइटी 2018 में उसने क्या कहा था हेडेक के बारे में? हेडेक often results in the considerable disability and decrease in the patient's quality of the life. Mild secondary headache, such as seen in the association with the upper respiratory tract infection, is common but rarely worrisome. Life-threatening headache is relatively uncommon, but vigilance is required in order to recognize appropriate treat such patients. एनाटमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ हेडेक अगर देखें तो बेसिकली जो पेन होता है, पेन यूजुअली अकर करता है व्हेन द पेरिफेरल नॉइसी रिसेप्टर्स स्टिमुलेटेड इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द टिश्यू इंजरी, विसरल डिस्टेंशन या किसी और फैक्टर की वजह से. अगर पेरिफेरल नॉइसी रिसेप्टर्स स्टिमुलेट हो रहे हैं उसकी वजह से हेडेक स्टार्ट हो जाता है. In such situation, pain perception is normal physiological response mediated by the healthy nervous system. Pain can also result when the pain-producing pathway of the peripheral or the central nervous systems are damaged, activated inappropriately. Headache may originate from either of or the both mechanism. Headache may originate from either or both mechanism. Relatively few cranial structures are pain-producing. These including जैसे scalp हो गया, meningeal arteries होगी, dural sinuses हो गया, falx cerebri हो गया, proximal segment of the large pial arteries and the ventricular epididyma, choroid plexus, pial veins. Much of the brain parenchyma are not pain producing. ज़्यादातर brain parenchyma pain produce ही नहीं करता है. Key structures involved in the primary headache are of the following, that is large intracranial vessels, that is dura mater, and the peripheral terminal of the trigeminal nerve innervate these structure. Caudal portion of the trigeminal nucleus which extends into the dorsal horn of the upper cervical spinal cord receives input from the first and the second cervical nerve root. ट्राइजेमाइनो सर्वाइकल कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. रॉस्ट्रल पेन प्रोड्यूसिंग रीजन जो होते हैं, ठीक है, as such ventroposterior-medial thalamus and cortex. Pain modulatory system in the brain that modulate input from the trigeminal nociceptor at all the level of the pain producing pathway and influences vegetative functions such as hypothalamus and the brain stem. तो कॉमन कॉजेज हेडेक के क्या क्या होते हैं? एक तो प्राइमरी हेडेक होता है, दूसरा सेकेंडरी हेडेक होता है. प्राइमरी हेडेक में तुम्हारे पास टेंशन टाइप, माइग्रेन, इडियोपैथिक स्टेबिंग, एक्सर्शनल क्लस्टर. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी हेडेक में सिस्टमिक इन्फेक्शन की वजह से, हेड इंजरी की वजह से, वस्कुलर डिसऑर्डर, सबअरेक्नॉइड हेमरेज एंड ब्रेन ट्यूमर की वजह से सेकेंडरी हेडेक हो सकता है. ठीक है, ट्राइजेमाइनो वस्कुलर सिस्टम जो कि इनर्वेट करता है तुम्हारा लार्ज इंट्राक्रेनियल वेसल्स को, ड्यूरा मेटर को, वायर ट्राइजेमाइनल नर्व, क्रेनियल ऑटोनोमिक सिम्टम्स सच एज लेक्राइमेशन, कंजक्टिवल इंजेक्शन एंड नेजल कंजेशन, राइनोरिया, periorbital swelling, oral fullness and ptosis prominent in the trigeminal autonomic cephalgias. इसमें कॉमन होता है, सब prominent होता है. Including the cluster headache and the paroxysmal hemicrania may also be seen in the migraine. Even in the children, these autonomic symptoms reflects activation of the cranial parasympathetic pathway. Functional imaging studies indicate that the vascular changes in the migraine and the cluster headache when present are similarly driven by these cranial autonomic system. Thus, they are secondary, not causative events in the headache cascade. Moreover, they can often be mistaken for the symptoms or the signs of the cranial sinus inflammation, which is then overdiagnosed and inappropriately managed. Migraine and the other primary headache types are not vascular headache. These disorders do not reliably manifest the vascular changes, and treatment outcomes cannot be predicted by the vascular effect. Migraine in the brain is a brain disorder, is best understood and managed as such. The clinical evaluation of the acute new onset headache. The patient who present with the new severe headache has differential diagnosis that is quite different from the patient who has the recurrent headache over many years. In the new onset with the severe headache, the probability of finding the potentially serious cause is considerably greater than the recurrent headache. The patient with the recent onset of the pain require prompt evaluation and the appropriate treatment. Serious causes to consider include meningitis, subarachnoid hemorrhage, epidural and subdural hematoma, glaucoma, tumor, purpura and sinusitis when worrisome symptoms and the signs are present. Rapid diagnosis and the management are critical. A careful neurological examination is essential for the first step in the evaluation. Most of the cases, the patient with the abnormal examination or the history of the recent headache should be evaluated by the computer CT करानी चाहिए, MRI करानी चाहिए. Study of the brain की CT MRI से आपको कोई particularly abnormal examination तो नहीं है, वो सब देख सकते हो. ठीक है, abnormal finding तो नहीं है, वो सब देखना है. ठीक है. As initial screening procedure, intracranial pathology in this setting, CT and the MRI methods appear to be equally sensitive. In some instances, lumbar puncture is also required unless benign etiology. It can be otherwise established. A general evaluation of acute headache might include cranial arteries by palpation, cervical spine by effect of the passive movement of the head, and by the imagining. In investigation of the cardiovascular system and the renal status by the blood pressure monitoring and the urinary examination. Eyes by the fundoscopy and intraocular pressure measurement and the refraction. Patient psychological state should be evaluated because the relationship exists between the head pain, depression and anxiety. This is intended to identify comfortably rather than provide an explanation for the headache. Because troublesome headache is seldomly simply cause mood change. Troublesome headache रहता है तो मूड चेंज हो जाता है. Although it is notably that the medicine with the antidepressant action also have effective in preventing treatment. Headache symptoms that suggest a serious underlying disorder, that is sudden onset headache, first severe headache, worst headache ever, vomiting precede headache, subacute worsening over the days or the week, pain inducing bending, lifting, coughing, pain that disrupts the sleep and presents immediately upon awaking, known systemic illness, onset after age of 55, fever, unexplained systemic sign, abnormal neurological examination, pain associated with local tenderness, region of temporal artery. Of both the type of the tension type of the headache and the migraine, each symptom must be treated optimally. ठीक है. Underlying recurrent headache disorders may be activated by the pain that follows otologic and endodontic surgical procedures. Thus, the pain about the head as a result of the diseased tissue and the trauma may be awakened and otherwise quiescent migraine syndrome. The treatment of the headache is largely ineffective. Headache का treatment बहुत ineffective है until the cause of the primary problem is addressed. जब तक कि primary problem नहीं मिल जाती तब तक कि treatment मुश्किल है.